All right, folks, my name is Sayed. I'm from USA Truck Sales, and here is Tony from NaviStar International.
Hey there, guys. How you guys doing?
So today we want to talk about the NaviStar extended warranty packages available with us or with any other NaviStar independent or NaviStar dealer. Give us a little bit of input, like what are the advantages or benefit and over and above in the market from NaviStar warranties.
Yeah, so NaviStar's factory-backed warranty. It's called the worry-free program. And what separates us apart from some of the other extended warranties that are available on used trucks today, there's no deductible. A lot of third-party warranties are gonna have a $300+ deductible. They'll have claim limits or maximum allowed coverages under the policy. NaviStar's worry-free program, there aren't any claim limits. There are no deductibles. You can get the warranty done as kind of like an a la carte thing where you just get the engine and the after treatment. You can add on the extended vehicle coverage, which covers over 800+ components on the truck, electrical stuff, brake components. You could elect to also get towing, and there's no maximums on that per year. And you're going through the international dealership network, so factory parts are going to be used, and the claim process is nice, easy, and simple.
Yes, that actually gives me a little bit reminder of I read a note. Cars nowadays run on the code. Cars, trucks. So they give a little bit of background that these computer codes, F-15, the aircraft has about 1.7 million codes. F-22 Raptor has about 5 million codes. Airbus 787 has about 6.8 million codes. And you know how many this computer software coding in a regular automotive or car nowadays?
I don't even know that. Saeed, tell me. What is it?
200 to 300 million codes.
Wow.
So in other words, an aircraft's gonna go and do the business, whatever it got to do, come back, and they have to plug it in. A car go or truck go on the work, come back. It's not gonna go to that intensive, mechanic side of the business. It has to do everything by itself. It has to be ready in -20, +20, in humidity, in traffic condition, in heat, engine heat condition, in ABS condition. So all these things are in the computer, and that computer sometimes gonna need help, where the NaviStar warranty gonna kick in. Yeah. The other benefit of NaviStar warranty is they got towing including in there, and they cover phenomenal $550 per instance. So if your truck breaks down and you have a warranty for 1 year, unlimited miles, anywhere in US, 48 lower states, or even in Canada.
Yes, even in Canada. So if your route takes you somewhere into Canada, you're covered there too.
You're gonna be taking it to your closest dealership, NaviStar dealership, under OEM program, and they cover your towing. Could happen, God forbid, second time, that also covers it. So it's not gonna run out. So you have per instance $550 coverage. This is a small thing, and in congestion of no deductible. That's a big for NaviStar. Anything else you want to tell us about the NaviStar? How many dealer networks are out there who can?
Another thing, I think you mentioned it, was unlimited miles. So we're not going to cap you at a certain amount of miles unless that truck's motor reaches 750,000, I think, on Class 8 is what it is. Yeah. So if you buy a truck with a low enough amount of miles, time is going to get you before the mileage will.
So basically, it does cover the 826 motor, and it does cover the Cummins X15. So how does it work? So if they need help on the Cummins, are you going to be doing at the international shops, or are you going to send it to Cummins, or you have the software available?
Oh, sure. Well, all our international dealers are going to be equipped to take care of a Cummins motor without any issues at all. And everything will be funneled through the international service department, and they'll take care of you from point A to point B.
So just to give you a small tip, that 826 motor is phenomenal. I drove it myself. It doesn't sound at all that you're driving a truck. It's so quiet and it's so powerful. It's 450 horsepower. I was amazed. I thought I'm driving like somewhere around 600 plus horsepower engine. So that's a big plus.
Oh yeah, and we're getting a lot of great response on the fuel economy. So our big fleets are really enjoying the increase in fuel economy that they're seeing when running the 826 motor in their fleet.
And just for curiosity, where the 826 motor comes from? Like, who is the behind the scenes?
Well, really, it was because of NaviStar partnership. A lot of people don't know, but the Triton Group, which is one of the largest commercial truck manufacturers in the world, part of the Volkswagen Group, they run some OEMs and major truck manufacturers in the European market, and that 826 actually comes from the MAN motor.
Wow.
So it ran over in the European market for quite a few years and ran through the whole gamut of weathers and applications before NaviStar decided to put it in the LT product here in the United States.
So basically, it's a German technology, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, for all intents and purposes.
Yeah, unbelievable. That's great. Thank you so much again for your help, Tony, and appreciate your help and support.
Hey, it's always good to talk with you, Saeed, and it was great to see you guys again. Take care.